Usually you blow into pipes, you know, but he just stuck bellows to them.
Smart.
Look at him.
Somebody
Goodness.
Somebody at the fireplace
Great idea.
one night probably came up with the idea.
Seriously, right.
Huh?
Yeah,
Hmm?
it's such a great idea.
Yeah, it's easy. You don't have to be blowing all the time. When you're blowing into something, it gets wet, you know, with your breath. So you have to keep the pipes. You know, they get dirty, I suppose. You know, because they get wet. You know, but this is dry, so it's handy. So get his in.
Yeah, Rob. Anytime.
I'll play a tune before and let's just get set up. There's air leaking everywhere, so I have to pump very hard.
Yeah.